let me show you how easy it is to transform this piece of molded air dry foam clay into just an absolutely fabulous little painted piece. And let me tell you, you do not need to be an artist. You do not have to have all the bells and whistles to be able to do this. We're going to do it very easy. Now, in reality, it took me about 30 minutes to paint this piece, and guess what? You don't need to sit here for 30 minutes watching me paint it. So we're going to speed it up, and I'm going to still show you how easy it is. You're going to get a filbert brush, any large base sort of brush, a flat brush per se, a lot of water in your paint, and you're going to put it over everything. You're not staying in the lines right now. We gave it a dry. Now we're going to go in and fill the individual spaces. So at the moment I'm working on the eggs. You don't have to have specific brushes. If the brush fits the space, it's the right brush. Doesn't matter whether it's round, doesn't matter whether it's flat. It's just got to fit the space. We're not doing any flash stroke work. We're just basing it in, okay? So as long as it fits, it's the right brush. Don't go out and buy anything special. The other thing you can do is mix your paints so that you can put different shades on there, but you're not going out and buying a lot of paint. This is all super important if you're just starting out, okay? Now, I couldn't get the purple out, which is why I'm using the lid. Nothing special about that technique, okay? We're going to put some speckle. Can you see me dragging my finger over that brush? We're speckling the inside of that egg with a little bit of cream, just to give it a little bit of a texture. We're just going back now, doing the same thing, basing back in over the top where it was a little bit, transparent, making it more opaque, going in and doing some details, dotting in the center of our daisies, just with a little bit of brown paint mixed with our yellow, coming back in with our detail brush and going around. We're going to do the inside of the ears. Again, if the brush fits the space, it's the right brush, guys. Don't overthink it. Keep this nice and simple. Over the top of the lettering, just with a real soft buttermilk type colour, which is a soft cream. I don't want the writing to stand out tons. I just want it to be really quite easy on the eye, for lack of a better description. My goodness, we're going in with some gold. Adding out a couple of little gold touches on those little leaves that are coming up, which is really great fun. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to have fun with this process, okay? Don't get too hung up on it. Now, come on, you know we were not going to do this project without using our stickles, right? Our stickles are our glitter glue. I got mine from Craft Online in Australia. I think if you're in America, I think the girls told me that you can get them from Michael's. But just putting a little bit over the top of so matching my colours, okay? Keep it simple. Have fun with it. How good's that?